Clear that the NDA has had a sweeping victory. Tejasvi Yadav is trailing by 100-odd votes, and we hear there are 30 more rounds that are pending. So he does have a chance or not. We've got to wait and watch. But if I could bring in Sujata Paul, spokesperson of the Congress. Sujata, what a debacle it's been in the longest time of Bihar elections. You've not seen this number. What explains such a poor performance by the Congress? And it's not just the Congress, your ally and the one you were really piggybacking on. The RJD has also collapsed.
Isn't it amazing that when the last elections took place in the midst of the pandemic, and we are going to be obviously comparing what happened then and to now, this supposed pro-incumbency is really magical for the NDA. And in spite of the fact that there have been paper leaks, there have been issues which have come to the fore, people reeling under the pressures of no jobs, etc. But we have Mr. Gyanesh Kumar Gupta, of course, who is at the helm of affairs. And it is clear that through his SIR and his vote, whatever he has done to the voters list, where there have been lots of questions, he has probably been much heavier compared to the people's sentiment. People's sentiment seem to be taking the backseat. Of course, 10,000 rupees is what a lot of people will attribute this to. But clearly, somewhere along the line, we must ask questions of Mr. Gyanesh Gupta as well. But having said that, we do need to look how we need to fight this machine, how we need to fight the election commission, which is working for the BJP. And it is clear, because why is it that people who were on the streets have not found any reprieve? How is it that the youngsters who wanted jobs, who were being given lathis by the NDA government, they are still asking those questions? So clearly, there is a lot for us to ask ourselves as to how we handle this this entire machine which is working against the people as well.
You're right. It's true that medical infrastructure is collapsing in Bihar. It's true that you have your flyovers that are, by the dozen collapsing. You have government schools that are non-functional. You have unemployment that is surging. It's true. All of that is true. But in the face of that, you still haven't managed to pick up votes. And the performance is so bad that people are, it almost looks like the sentiment is more anything but RJD. That we are done with that era. And whoever is allying with the RJD will have the same fate.
Maybe, this might be the perception which was being built, because if you noticed in all the debates which were happening and which happened, which will continue to happen, there is only one point of attack, and that is Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Because Mr. Rahul Gandhi's Vote Adhikar Yatra got such massive support from the people. And if there was anybody who was, voicing the cause of the people of Bihar, it was Mr. Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party. Of course, RJD was there. But when I'm talking only about my party at the moment. And clearly, the attack will be on us. But that is exactly what I'm saying. People have issues, and those issues are being taken up by somebody who is going to be questioned as to why you could not translate it into votes. But the fact of the matter remains that when 65 lakh votes have been destroyed completely, when trains have been sent from Haryana, there have been people whose pictures are all over the internet, and there are people from my state of Uttarakhand, and I see their pictures everywhere, that they have been voting in Uttarakhand, and now they are voting in Bihar. These are questions which need answers.
How are you certain? How are you certain?
Because nobody is going to.
I was just saying, how are you certain that these votes are your votes? How are you certain that this was your vote bank that was deleted, 65 lakhs? And if you're so certain, are you going to court for it?
This is not the point at all, whether those votes are ours or somebody else's. The fact is that if such a thing has happened, you agree that the voters list are faulty. So if these people, and these are people, you know, the people that I am mentioning are people who belong to the BJP, who are leaders of the BJP, who hold posts in the BJP or who have held posts in the past. So clearly that is going to go to the BJP only. And when I am bringing this up, then it is not for this question, the answer to this question being that they voted for the BJP and not for us. What I'm saying is the voter lists are faulty. So clearly, if 65 lakh voters were deleted from this list, the government at the center itself is an illegal government. And clearly, today what we are seeing is, questions without answers. So there is a whole list of questions, but we never get answers from the Election Commission. And we are going to be asked as to why they didn't get translated into votes. These are the questions. And of course, whether the 10,000 rupees which were transferred at the last minute, which could not be transferred in the last 5 years.
You know
even
what's
though we were in the
shameful,
midst of the
Sujata?
pandemic when the last
You know
elections
what's
took place.
shameful? You
These
know what's
are-
shameful?
these are
I
questions which
I have
nobody
a
is
word
going
to
to
say.
ask.
I have a word to say. The Congress and its supporters on social media platforms are right now almost nearly abusing women of Bihar, saying that women are greedy. Bihar women have turned out to be greedy. They've taken 10,000
on.
rupees. They've
No,
this is
no.
some of the Congress supporters and
I'm
some
sorry.
Congress handles
Can you allow me to
that
can
are
you-
putting out these
No,
messages
no.
on social platforms,
You
which
cannot.
is highly unfair.
No. Listen, Nabila, stop saying that those are Congress persons. This is people's anger, but what I'm saying is that you cannot question the voter. The voter will vote whoever he or she wants to, and I respect that completely. The
No,
Congress
but
party
you're saying
respects
that, but you're
What
saying
I
that
am
they
saying
voted
is for
them
an
after
election to be
10,000
free
came
and
into your
fair,
account.
The
na?
questions. No, so please don't say that we are
You said
blaming
it. I
anybody.
didn't say it. You said it. You said it. They vote.
Excuse
It
me?
must have been a game changer after 10,000 were
Of
credited
course.
to their account.
No, what not at all. I will never question the people of this nation. Never. What I'm saying is that nobody will question those who are doing this just before elections. Please do not do this, because for me, Janta is the Janardhan, and the Janta will vote whoever they want to. The point is that whoever is conducting the elections should conduct it fairly and
Okay.
should ensure
Sujata,
that an equal
Sujata, there are a couple
platform
of questions,
is given
you know.
to everybody,
Can I-
no
can I-
matter
can I ask you a
whether
question,
it is
ma'am?
an independent candidate.
Ma'am, can I ask you a question? I completely get your point. When Rahul Gandhi does a press conference, and it's covered also, about the hydrogen bomb and the fact that, that the Congress party per se has zero faith in the capabilities of Election Commission, and especially, the kind of messages that has been coming and tweets that it's a victory, Ganesh Kumar Gupta. I think what is the logical next step for the Congress party? Are you guys going to only do this public exposes, but will never approach the court so that they can have a definite, if you have proof, how about you nail the lie of the Election Commission? How do you intend to nail the lie of the Election Commission? Are you planning to go to court? Are you planning to
What
take
are you
anything
talking?
substantial?
What
Otherwise,
are you
it's going to be
talking?
just limited
The proof
to
is all out there.
where, ma'am? I'm just saying that are you guys, if Election Commission says that it doesn't agree
The
with your
proof
proof,
is all out there. The proof has been given. Has Ganesh Kumar answered those questions? What are you talking? I
so
don't
if
know who's
Ganesh
asking
Kumar has
you
not
this
answered your question, ma'am, then what
it
is the
a
next
panelist?
next step for Congress party?
Nabila, who's asking me this question?
Yeah,
first?
Brijesh
Brijesh,
Pandey this time,
he's
ma'am.
our
I'm the
editor,
one
ma'am.
who's
He's our
asking.
editor.
Okay, so the point here is you're asking me a question as to why is it that we are questioning the election commission.
No, ma'am,
Are
I
you
never
saying
asked that. No,
It
I
is
never,
the
I
mandate
never asked
of the
it.
election
I
commission
never said
to
that,
make sure
ma'am.
that elections
I
are
only
free and
said,
fair.
I only said that that you have been exposing Election Commission.
No.
The party is saying in public. You are saying that Ganesh Kumar is not responding. So I'm saying Ganesh Kumar is not responding. So what is the next logical step for Congress party?
Yes.
This was my question.